This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
Paano nahanap si Chantal Anicutsi na isang PhilAm Psychology graduate na kasama sa isang namatay na estudyante sa Occidental Mindoro? Panoorin ang buong video.
May tao. Tanyo. Okay, we're here. Anong pangalan mo? What's your name? Chantal, what's your surname? What's your full name?
Santa Anicoche.
Okay, you just calm down. We were going to help you, okay? Okay. Tulungan niyo. Okay, you cooperate with us. Careful. You go with them. Uy, mag-ready ka ng pagkain dyan. You go there, Chantal. On the open area. There, you wear your slippers. Bigyan niyo ng pagkain. You eat. You eat first. Yung isang squad mag-scour. Mag-scour yung isang squad. Baka may mga, alam pa daw dyan, may mga baril-baril or kung ano man.
Dito lang. Clear naman na doon. Dito lang banda. Dito lang kami dyan. Ha? Umakit ka na. Umakit ka na. Doon, apan ko na doon.
Why did you come here?
Umakit na.
Following my boyfriend. Not really my boyfriend.
He's a what?
Fling.
Fling? Why did he take you here? In Mindoro? What's his purpose?
Where he's from.
Clear natin. Ikutan lang natin.
Ha?
Where he's from.
His family?
But I...
If you don't trust him, then why did you come with him?
I thought I could trust him, but he didn't treat me well, so I just wanted to...
Why did you come here?
I'm embarrassed.
Why? What are you embarrassed about?
I came here for a boy. When I should have been with
So, you came here December 27, ever since you were here na. So,
his family. And then
when did you go here?
January 31st.
December 31st?
When I ran away.
December 31st? You ran away from him?
No, January 1st. Because it was the morning when we got into a fight. And so I thought I could just walk away. But I got lost. Here. December 31st.
This picture, is this you?
That picture is me.
And your name is?
Chantal Anicoche.
Okay. So this is Chantal Anicoche. Is this you, Chantal, in the picture?
Yes. What is that picture?
Is this you in the picture? We're just trying to your identity, if that's much on the picture.
Eudora.
You want rice? We have rice here.